When we were renovating our home, we were really conscious of our energy costs. We didn't want to be constantly putting our hands in our pockets to pay a big energy bill.
So putting rooftop solar on our house was a no-brainer. Some might say it's like having money fall from the sky.
But because we weren't at home all the time during the day when the energy was being produced, we found we probably weren't collecting all the value from our system.
Our solar panels coupled with the battery system allows us to collect and store the energy we don't use during the day.
Which means we can use that energy later on in the day when we need it most.
It also helps us do our bit for the environment and our kids' future.
Thanks for watching. We hope we've given you some great ideas for your next renovation or new build.
Now, not everything we've done here on the sunny Gold Coast will be right for your home. Every home is different, and what's right for you will depend on where you live, whether you're renovating or building, your budget and your goals.
So jump on the website for some more great tips and ideas, and to learn how you can create a home for yourself that is healthy, efficient and comfortable.